Today I want to share a quick tip to avoid the N+1 query problem in React Admin. I have a list of orders. Each order has a customer ID field, and I need to fetch the related customer record for each row to display its name. The way I do it is by using a customer name component that I wrote, and this customer name reads the current order from the record context and then calls useGetOne using the record customer ID to fetch the related customer. And once the useGetOne has returned, it renders the customer first and last name. It works, except it does way too many queries to the API, one query for each row. And if I have a database with a large number of rows, then I might get hit by a rate limiter in my API. There is a better way. The better way is to use an alternative hook called useGetManyAggregate. useGetManyAggregate will take and has the same syntax as useGetOne, except it has its parameter expects an array of IDs, and sorry, I have to return an array of IDs, and the data it returns is an array of customers, so I will only take the first one. And now if I refresh the page, I will see that I only need 2 queries to fetch the entire order page, including the customer names, and now I have a single getMany call to the customers. So what getManyAggregate does is that it aggregates all the calls to this hook during one render pass, accumulates and deduplicates them to make a single getMany call. And this is so common in React Admin that we actually don't need to call it, because that's exactly what reference field does. So if I do reference field and I do that on the customers page, and I don't need my customer name anymore, and I refresh, you will see it is exactly the same getMany customers call. So whenever you use useGetOne in an iterator, for instance in a data grid, you should try to use useGetManyAggregate instead, or even better, use a reference field. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.